Assalamu alaikum everybody, my name is Tabinda Islam and I started my journey in the year 2006 as a teacher. So I started to teach marketing, entrepreneurship, consumer psychology and business studies in the higher education institutions of the country. Then I moved abroad, I went to UAE and I worked with advertising agency and some cultural centers and taught there as well. When I came back here in Pakistan, so I realized that there was a huge gap in the market. The teachers who were training and teaching in the higher education institutions were not very well versed about the industry and the success stories of the individuals who are working in the industry. So what I did, I started to work closely with the industry, and then I became a founding member of Center for Entrepreneurship of a private sector university. After that, so many ups and downs came, but I stick to so many other things. But the point is, there was a joke in my career as well, and that was when I got a severe accident in the year 2019. In the year 2019, I still remember when I had that accident. After that, I was all broken, and I never realized that how God was paving ways for me. I started to work with the society. I started to work with the underprivileged and underserved communities. I started to work with the corporate sector, and then I aligned a few things that with a very corporate model, we can earn a lot and then we have to spend that money in some philanthropic work. I taught 50,000 women across the country on entrepreneurship, across the country. And now with Al Fakrim Group, I, Tabinda Islam, have initiated two projects, Al Fakrim Technology Incubator, Al Fakrim Foundation, where I'm earning from Al Fakrim Technology Incubator and returning it back to the society through Al Fakrim Foundation. There were so many opportunities and there were so many challenges during my career, and I found one of the challenges as a glass ceiling for the women in the country. We never realize and we never believe that the other women can work hard as we are doing. So we have to create a very strong support system and a very conducive environment for all the women of the country so that they can work hard and they can materialize all their dreams into reality. One advice for all the women is believe in yourself. If you will not believe in yourself, who else will believe in you? And special credits to XP Blue Zone because they are working on the climate change, and I think without climate change and realization of the climate change on the planet, we cannot save it at all. So save the planet.